In this video, you'll learn about external style sheets in CSS. And if you want to know about embedded style sheets, then check the link in the description. So, what is an external style sheet? An external style sheet is a way to apply style information to a web page by creating a separate CSS file and linking it to the web page. Now let's see an example. I will create two separate files, an HTML file and a CSS file. And then I will link the CSS file to the HTML file. Now that our HTML file is ready, I will create a CSS file now. Now that our HTML and CSS files are ready, I will link the CSS file to the HTML file that I created. So we use link tag to link the CSS file to the HTML file. And here's the href attribute that I have used to specify the path to the CSS file. Now let's see the output. One advantage of using external style sheet is that I can link the CSS file to multiple web pages using the link tag. And whenever I need to change the look of all the pages, then I will have to make changes to just one file.